Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I regularly get a lot of requests to show how I clean my brushes, and I just realized I've never really done a video or I've never really shared how I do it. So for this video I thought of showing you guys how I clean my brushes, that is spot cleaning, a quick clean, as well as deep cleaning my brushes. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you find it helpful, then please don't forget to share it with your friends and family so that I can reach more people. And now without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys how you can spot clean your brushes. That is like when you're doing your makeup and you don't have a lot of time, maybe you're just switching different colors and you want to use the same brush. What you can do is use a brush cleaner like this one. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's really inexpensive. You can also use the e.l.f. one. These are very cheap. For a regular use, I use the BH Cosmetics one. So what you're basically gonna do is take a dirty brush. As you can see, probably it is very dirty. And I have also taken a bit of paper towel. So what I do is I just lay it like this, and then right on top of the bristles I just spray it once or twice, and then you just swirl it like this. Now if you have really dark or vibrant colors on the brush, it's not going to remove it all at once. You might need to go over like twice or thrice, but I feel it does a pretty good job when you're on the rush, because you don't really need to wash it with water or do anything, and it dries almost instantly. So you just need to wait for like a few minutes and you can straight away get into your makeup and you don't have to wait around. So as you can probably see, it has already removed a lot of the eyeshadows, and I had a really dark eyeshadow on this, so it's pretty good to go if I want to use it right away. But still I'm going to use this cleanser again and just clean it a little bit more. So as you can see on the paper towel, a little bit of the eyeshadow is still coming out. So I got a little closer to show you exactly what I'm doing. So as you can see, this brush is pretty dirty. So I'm just going to lay it like this on top of the paper towel and just spray twice or thrice, and then just swirl around. See all these eyeshadows coming off? If you want, you can use the cleanser once more just to get rid of even the last traces of eyeshadows. So I'm just going to spritz one more time, and again just keep swirling. And if you think the brush is really wet, you can just swirl around on a dry area. The paper towel is going to soak the cleanser and it's gonna make your brush dry up really fast. So as you can see, it is pretty clean, and you can right away use this brush for a different eyeshadow. So this was basically what I do when I need to spot clean my brushes in between doing my makeup or when I don't have a lot of time. But on a regular basis, maybe once a month, I do deep clean my brushes, and what I basically use is this Sigma matte. This is basically their Sigma Spa Express brush cleaning mat. So it has this different texture and ridges all over, and it's really helpful. It doesn't take that long to clean your brushes, and I would show a demo of how I use this mat and all the other products and how I deep clean my brushes. So if you don't have this mat from Sigma, you can also find really inexpensive like brush cleaning eggs, which also has those ridges all over eBay, and they all basically do the same job, so it doesn't matter which brand or which one you get. Now along with the mat, as the cleaning agent, you can use baby shampoo or a bar of soap, or you can get brush cleaning shampoos like this one. This is just a sample from Sigma. This is their Sigmagic brush shampoo, which has like coconut oil and palm oil in it, so it's really beneficial for your brushes as well. If not a shampoo, you can use a regular bar of soap. I usually prefer using white and non-fragrance soap but currently I didn't have a white one, so in the demo I've used a colored soap, and anything would actually work. In fact, long back I used to use hand washing liquid soaps, and that also worked really great, but still I would suggest a plain bar of soap or a gentle shampoo. So now let's just head over to the demo where I'll show you how I deep clean them. So I'm using this Sigmagic brush cleanser from Sigma. This is just the sample size. You can get a whole bottle of this from their website. So I'm using it on a Sigma F80 Kabuki brush. This was just so dirty with all the foundations. So this mat has a face brush side and an eye brush side, so just swirl around the brush on its designated side and then rinse with water. So I've repeated it twice because foundations or concealers can be a little difficult to remove, so you might need to do it twice. Now I'm gonna clean an eye brush. This is Morphe E23 brush, and again I'm using the same liquid. I'll just apply a little bit on the brush and swirl it around on the eye brush side this time. So there are 3 or 4 different styles of indentation on the mat, so just swirl it around all over the place and then rinse it with water. For eye brushes, one time is good enough. You can see it cleaned out all the eyeshadows. If you don't have liquid brush cleansers, you can always go in with a regular bar of soap. And here again, I've used a face brush that I use my foundation with, and I am just swirling it all around. The process is basically the same. So you just swirl it around on the mat and then rinse with water. If you need to go over twice, you can do that. So repeat this process until the brush is completely clean. So if you're lazy like me and you want to save some time, you can actually go in with 2 or 3 eye brushes at the same time and they still work great. So after you're done washing your brushes, what I basically do is take a sheet of paper towel and lay all my brushes flat on the desk, on a countertop, anywhere, and I just keep them like that for a whole day until the brushes are completely dry, because it's really important that you don't store your brushes upright like with the bristles on top, because then if there's even a little bit of water, it can sip into the barrel and it would just ruin the glue and the bristles might start to fall off. So it's really important that you take care of your brushes so that they last you forever. So this was it for today, and for the comment of the video, it's right here. Thank you so much for commenting, and if you want to see some more videos of me, then click right here, or you can head over to my playlist and watch all of my videos. So I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video, and of course subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So until next time, take care and bye bye.